Welcome to Vlogmas day 16. I do want to apologize. Don't get on me, don't get on me, don't get on me. I did not do December 15th because I still am really sick. I don't feel really good. As you guys know, I had a myomectomy last year. It's gonna be a year since I've had my myomectomy. Probably have a video. I probably have a video out on that probably next week. My periods are still kind of like not wonky, but sometimes I feel very out of breath. I can't move, I do a lot of things. I can't lift a lot of things. Still kind of borderline anemic still. So I'm still trying to get my body back to where it was. So it's trial and error, especially when it comes to my health after my myomectomy. So I'm taking it one day at a time. So when my periods come around, it's like I go into hibernation. So that's what happened yesterday. I just could not get out of my bed. If you're new to my channel, my name is Cyn. I am a vlogger here on this channel. I'm also a business owner and I am a tarot reader as well. So if you want to get your tarot reading fix and you want to get your readings, I will link my channels somewhere up here, my social media, so that you guys can also follow me as well, because I do have readings on my social media as well. And sometimes I do give out free readings. So if you do want to follow me there, it'll be somewhere over here. So today I am going to my best friend's house. She is having like a little like holiday kind of event party. It's not really a party. What it is that we're gonna be like doing gingerbread houses. We're gonna be like playing Christmas music and like drinking hot cocoa, stuff like that. It's like a cute little, you know, vibe. Here in Miami, it's raining. I think we're like having a storm, so it's a lot of wind, it's a lot of rain. It's cold here too. Around Christmas is not really cold in Miami, so the fact that it's cold, it's a change. I'm just gonna go to that event today. I was gonna take Louis with me, but unfortunately I can't take Louis with me, so Louis is going to be staying home. I have no makeup on my face, and honestly I think I'm gonna go to her house with no makeup, or I'm not gonna zhuzh myself up. I'm probably gonna throw on some lip gloss and like get my eyebrows together because they look like a mess, child, and put some mascara on and call it a day. Very casual outfit. I will show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing for tonight. I'm just gonna get ready really quickly and then we'll head over there, and then you guys will get to meet, well, you guys already met Bianca already, my best friend, but you guys will get to see everybody and like, you know. So I brought a couple of pairs of shoes. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. These shoes are from Public Desire. I am going on a trip very soon. This is why you see my suitcase right there. I'm just packing a little bit because I'm going to be going away for the holidays. I will not be spending my holidays in Miami. I'll be spending my holidays somewhere else, and I don't want to tell you guys where that is just yet. So I just wanted to unbox the shoes that I did get. And of course, they are by Public Desire. Let's open this. Ooh, I love the packaging. Look how pretty. First pair of shoes I got were these crocodile heels, these boots. I love the heel. Look at this heel. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I love the details in these shoes. I actually have a jacket that matches. It is croc as well, and I'm going to be pairing it with these shoes. But these heels are beautiful, and they were super affordable. They were on sale, so I got these for about like, I think they were about 35 bucks. It's quality material. And I'm actually gonna try them on for you guys so you guys can see how they look on my feet. The shape of the heel. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Pair that I got. And so this is something that I usually wouldn't go for, honestly. But I was like, you know what? I need to step out of my element. I need to kind of, because I'm always buying like typical, I love color. I'm not gonna say I don't like color, but sometimes I just kind of stick to like my gold heels or stick to my black heels, because you know, it usually goes with everything. These are the chunky boots that I got, and they are elastic, so they do stretch. They will stretch around my ankle and my legs. But aren't these cute? They're super adorable. I can't wait to wear them where I'm going. I don't don't want to tell you guys where I'm going just yet. I love the details at the bottom of the shoe. I love the chunky platform, and I can pair this up. These are typical cute little rain boots, and these are about 25, 20. I think they were 20 bucks. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on my feet. If you want a pair, I will link it down below. It's made with this super soft leather. I can't wait to be like, I can't wait to style this. I already know how I'm gonna style this. I just hope I don't look like I have long feet like La Cienega Boulevard for a Proud Family. Like just like really big feet. I do have a little bit of toe room, which I do love because I'm gonna be wearing thick socks with this pair of heels, with thick socks with these boots. But these are super, super cute. Sexy. Oh, these boots are sexy. Look at these cute boots. It's the detail for me. It's giving me like 2006-07 Lady Gaga, but I just love it. I love it. I just don't know what else to say. Look at this. It's the shape of the heel for me. And they do fit really nice. They're really snug. I could probably wear some socks with these, but absolutely gorgeous. I got it in a size extra, extra large because I do want it to be a oversized pullover, but this is the sweater. And I will be showing you guys how I'm going to be styling this when I get to my destination because I don't want to tell you guys yet. And this is the inside. The material is really, really nice. And I did get a pair of heels from Cape Robin, which I've shopped with Cape Robin before, to go with this sweater. It was a pair of cobalt chunky heels. So I'm gonna be wearing this probably with like a pair of jeans and a red lip. It's gonna look fire. I just can't wait to style it. All right guys, there's so much more stuff. Okay, so I ordered a primer, or a setting spray I should say, from Rimmel off of Amazon. And this is just a matte spray for my face. I ran out of my Fix Plus from MAC, which I usually get my Fix Plus from MAC, so I ended up getting one off of Amazon, which is a Rimmel Stay Matte. My makeup to be very matte, very dewy, so I ended up buying this off of Amazon. This was literally only $5, and if you want it, I'll link it down below in my Amazon shop. I needed this. This is Edge Control. I ran out of my Edge Control. This is actually a strawberry scented Edge Control, which I'm very excited to try because I had a strawberry scented Edge Control, but this says that it's supposed to hold up to like 4C hair. So we're gonna find out to see if this actually does the job. My hair is natural and it's really hard to find really good edge control. I use Gots to Be spray and the gel, but it has alcohol in it and it dries out my hair. As you guys know, I'm a ginger, my hair is colored, so I don't want anything that's going to dry my hair, so I ended up trying to see if this edge control is going to do me good. This is off of Amazon as well, and it's about $7, and I will have it in my Amazon shop down below. Oof. Oh my God, yes. I need a new tripod, y'all. The tripod that I currently have is annoying as AF. Annoying AF. And this tripod had so many good reviews. So I'm going to review this for you guys and see how I like it. Now it does say that this tripod, I like how it's thick. And then drop the box on the floor. This part is really thick and it has like a rubber texture to it. So it's gonna be nice and sturdy. And then you can open it up this way and just lay it this way. You can use your phone, you can use my camera, which I'm using the Sony ZF. Don't quote me. The Sony vlogging camera. I like how this has different features where I can use my phone, but I can also use my camera on here too, so I can shoot my TikTok content and my YouTube content on this. So this is a good investment. And this was about maybe like $22, and it'll be linked down below. I think these are the shoes that match that sweater I showed you guys. Yep, these are Cape Robin shoes. See, These are the wedges that I told you guys about. These are some cute cobalt blue wedges. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? This is adorable. I can't wait to pair it with that blue pullover and some nice jeans. These are super cute. I will link them down below as well if you guys do want to pair. It comes in orange, pink, hot pink, I believe red, blue. It comes in so many colors. Guys, make sure to like, comment down below. As you guys can see, I read all of your comments and I do respond to them. So please be sure to interact with this video and also be part of the tribe. Let's get back to the video. You'll be wearing this really simple white tank top and some jeans and a Chanel flats. I'm showing my bag. A Chanel tote bag. It's so cute. It pulls right here. I have to get some green tea. I have to get some green tea. It's cold outside. It's so cold. It's a tank top. It's a big coat. Skin is looking fresh. Gloss. Oh my goodness, it's freezing. It's cold outside. I really wanted coffee so badly, but I was like, nope, green tea it is. Just got some green tea. I'm trying to like put some pep in my step.
Everybody better pay up, pay up, pay up. Trying to get rich, don't want to be famous. With my day ones, 75 cents to catch that bus. Came up, got my check and did not finesse. Say I got next, got right now, so I got some chest. Kick my feet up. Smoking all this, I need a re-up. Give it all to me, more money. Can't tell me nothing, we out here struggling. That's why we hustling. Never heard it like this, don't lie. We never heard it like this, don't lie. Never heard it like this, don't lie. We had good sad Christmas time. Well, I'm getting mine. I'll give you some signs. Stay down till I touch the sky. Hey up there, I'm on my way up. Tell the radio to play us. Blame it on the place I grew up. Hit that lemon and I blew up.
I'm just getting home. That is the end of the vlog. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and be a part of the tribe here on this channel. Also, I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 17. I love y'all so much. Have a good night wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. And I will see you guys tomorrow.